Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change keyboard type and type any language on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store right here. Have you opened up your Play Store? Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search right here. Then come to the top right here, search apps and game. And what you need to do is to simply type in Microsoft Swift. So it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on here. And you will be taken to this particular page. As at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus have successfully downloaded and installed this keyboard on your Android phone. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on install right here. Alright, so after a successful download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on let us set up Swift keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on go settings. Then make sure you add permission. Then make sure you click on OK. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Microsoft Swift keyboard. Then right here, select Microsoft Swift keyboard. Then click on try your keyboard. Then click on allow. So from here, you can click on languages right here and do some settings. So right here, you have different languages right here. You can scroll down and see all the languages you have right here. So these are a lot of languages that you can simply switch into when you are using this particular keyboard. You can go back to the home page right here and then click on this icon right here to bring out your keyboard. Now you want to make a type. What you need to do is to simply click on let's for instance I want to type in English language and I want to convert it into another language. What I need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So welcome to translator, click on got it. Just like so. Then we have our primary language to be English right here. Then the secondary language to be translated to, or what we need to do is to simply click on here and then we can simply translate it into Arabic. Okay, now I will make a type. How are you doing today? Simple as that. So you can see it has been translated into Arabic language. You can use this particular format on anywhere you are making a type. Let's for instance, I want to use this keyboard on my WhatsApp. I'm going to simply exit from the setup right here. Then I'll head over to my WhatsApp right here. Then I will choose a contact. I'm going to simply look for a contact right here. So I'm choosing this contact right here and then you see my keyboard is here. Now I'm going to simply click on this symbol here. Then I will make sure I change my language here. Now I can type in another language. I can type in English language and translate it back to another language, or so I'm going to select Arabic right here. So this time around I can simply choose another language entirely, this type of language right here. So I can say hi, how are you doing today? Okay, then I will send. Alternatively, I can type in another language and translate it back to English language. So if I click on English right here, so and I decide to translate and I decide to type in another language that I understand. So if I decide to type in Hausa language, and then you can see it right here and translate to this, then I can click on here and translate it into English language right here. English language. So take a look at it, then send. So if I type in Hausa language, it simply means that it's giving me English language translation. So it's as simple as that. So you can simply go back here and switch back to English, and then click on here, switch to whatever language of your choice. I can simply switch to Yoruba and type in, this is your best friend. Okay, I will click on send. You can see everything has been translated into Yoruba language. We can click on here and choose different types of emoji, such as this. Click on here. The more you click, the more you see different types of an emoji. So we can simply go back home. And one more thing here is that we can make use of Copilot AI right here. So if I click on Copilot AI, click on got it, and then click on agree. So right here we can start. Click on accept, and then we can ask Copilot some question. You can say, can you please give me top 5 business idea I can start in Nigeria? So click on send. So we'll be asked to log into the account. I'm going to simply click on sign in right here. Then I will select my Microsoft Outlook account. So I'll click on OK. Do you agree to share? Click on yes. So successfully, I have fully logged in to Microsoft Suite account. Then I can begin to use the full features of the keyboard, just like so. Then I can simply go back to my WhatsApp right here, and then you see we still have the Microsoft Suite keyboard. So if I want to change my keyboard style right here, what I need to do is to click on these 3 dots right here. Then I can simply look for theme. So there are different themes right here that we can use. I can click on yours, and I can click on costume. So I can go back to the gallery here and then choose another type of keyboard, as the case may be. So you can see there are much more keyboard templates right here that you can simply change into. So if you click on any one you like, simply download, and then automatically it change your keyboard theme. It's as simple as that. So if I go back to my WhatsApp now, let's try and see the keyboard theme. So just like so. Now if I want to use the translate, I click on this icon right here and I type in English and change it to English language. Are you yeah? Then it translates back to Yoruba language and I send. It's as simple as that. If you want to change your theme, what you need to do is to simply go back to the Microsoft Suite app. And for you to access Microsoft Suite app, you can click on here and then look for your theme. Click on theme right here. Then you can switch back to another theme of your choice. I'm going to use this and download. So in a few seconds, it's going to download, and then click on change. Then we can simply go back to my keyboard section right here. And then by the time I make a type, you can see the keyboard has fully changed. So basically, this is how to change your keyboard type and type in any language on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.